Hey guys, this is my 2002 RB26 swapped S15. I've had the car for about 3 years now. I bought it as SR bone stock. The only thing that was in it was a radio. And I'd since put in an SR that made a bit of power, and that let go about 2 years ago, year and a half. And then I found this RB for sale. I bought it, shipped it up and did the conversion. I'm running a R33 subframe, which is a bit tall, so I've had to go the Origin vented bonnet. It's got a bit of a lift in it, and to get around the clearance issues. And then I got the motor in, pretty much running, all the wiring done, and then I found that the motor wasn't in the best condition, so I had to pull it apart and get it all machined. Luckily the block was within spec, so I'm running 86.5mm pistons. I've got CP pistons, spool rods. I've done extended sump. The crank was okay, so I've linished the crank. I've got the oil restrictors, I've got a head drain, pretty much all the little things, the oil PRP bypass valve, all those things to keep it running as healthy as an RB can. I've got my Ross Performance Harmonic balancer, and I've got my 6-boost single turbo manifold. I'm running a 50mm external gate. I've got my fully fabbed 3.5-inch exhaust with my custom lobster intake. The guy that did that did a really good job of my intake and exhaust. So yeah, this build did take a long time, and it's still on the run-in tune at the moment. I'm still trying to perfect everything about it. Yeah, I'm gonna do probably 200 more Ks on the fresh motor, and then I'll go for a power tune, and hopefully I'll make 400 to 500 horsepower is what I'm looking for on 98. I've also got it on bags just because I like the practicality of it. I need to dial in the rear fitment of it a bit more. But yeah, I've just always wanted an RB26 powered S chassis. And yeah, when my SR let go, I decided that I was gonna go RB. And it was definitely a big headache, and it still is a lot of headaches. But it's getting there now, so don't know how good the quality is in this Mo cluster. But yeah, it's definitely come a long way. Got the few other Silvias in the background. But yeah, just dialing everything in now pretty much, and then I'm gonna go for a power tune in a couple of months, and then I can really drive it, and then everything will be worth it.